This is how you know when to use your ideal gas equation and when not to in your Year 11 trial exam. Your ideal gas equation is PV is equal to nRT. R is an ideal gas constant that you can find on your data sheet, so you have 4 other variables, which means that you can use the ideal gas equation when at least 3 of the 4 variables are known. So if you know the moles and the question's given you temperature and pressure, then you can use the ideal gas equation to find volume, and vice versa for all of the other variables. So if you have a look at this question, they've given us mass, which we can convert into moles, and they've given us temperature and pressure. So the only variable we don't know is volume, so we can rearrange the ideal gas equation to figure it out. But if the question's told you that temperature is constant or pressure or volume is constant, then you can't use the ideal gas equation, but you can simplify it to use one of your other gas laws. So if your exam question tells you that gases are held in a rigid container, that means that the volume of the container can't be changed, so volume is kept constant and you can use Gay-Lussac's law instead. In this question, they've told us that the temperature of the gas remains constant, so we know that it's a Boyle's law question. The other way of knowing that we can't use the ideal gas equation here is that they haven't given us a temperature value to work with, which means we can't use the equation even if we wanted to. Now, all of the ideal gas laws aren't actually given to you in your data sheet, but there is an easy way of deriving it from your ideal gas equation, and that's something our Curie chemistry students know from class.